Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your email and password available. Once signed in, go straight to Security, then to Advanced Security Settings. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and allow camera access so you can scan codes. Next, choose Add Sign-in Method and pick Authenticator app. This starts the link process. Do this now so you're ready for the next verification step. Don't navigate away until you see the QR code. Once you see the QR code on your computer screen, open the Authenticator app and use Add Account, then scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at the screen. If scanning fails, tap Enter Code manually and type the 9-digit or secret key displayed. This yields a 6-digit time-based code. After the app shows the code, enter it on the Microsoft website or approve the push notification. When verification completes, the account will be linked and ready for sign-ins. You finish by saving recovery codes and enabling a secondary method like your phone number. This prevents lockout. Make sure to test sign-in on another browser to confirm the Authenticator prompt appears. If the app doesn't generate valid codes, check that your phone's time is set to automatic and resync the account in the app. If scanning failed, remove and re-add using the manual key. Finally, remember to update any stored passwords where you use the old method before you rely on the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.